Hello my friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video I'm going to show you how to produce electricity for free. There are a lot of videos on YouTube claim that they produce electricity for free, but honestly speaking it's impossible to produce electricity for free. If you do nothing, it's impossible. There is no quiet way to produce electricity. But in today's video I'm going to show you a very easy and efficient way how to produce electricity. I'm going to use this device. As you see, it's a plastic tube, 6 centimeters plastic tube, and I have two coil around the plastic tube. Each coil is consists of 500 turns of isolated copper wire, 0.1 millimeter isolated copper wire. And when you put such neodymium magnets into this plastic tube, and as you see I have two pieces of neodymium magnets. When you put these neodymium magnets inside the plastic tube and just shake it, you will get electricity from these cables. As you see, when you shake the plastic tube, you will get alternative current because the direction of the current change by each turn, so you will get alternative current from this cable. To convert alternative current to DC current, I'm going to use rectifier bridge. When you use this rectifier bridge, you can convert the alternative current into DC current. And after that, I'm going to charge this huge capacitor with this device. It will just measure the voltage with our multimeter, and we will see how many voltage can we produce with this device. Now I will make the connections and show you how many voltage we can produce with this device. I'm going to just set my multimeter. I will make the necessary connections. As you see, I have just a rectifier bridge here with diodes, and I'm just connect these cables to the rectifier bridge. And this is the output of our capacitor. I am going to connect the multimeter to my capacitor, the positive terminal, and the negative terminal. Okay, as you see, we have 0.7 volts inside the capacitor, so I will make a short circuit. Okay. Now, the voltage dropped to 0 volt. There is no voltage inside the capacitor. Now, I'm going to shake the device and see how many voltage we will get. Just put the neodymium magnets and just shake. As you see, the voltage increasing when we shake. As we shake, as you see, the voltage increasing. We got 1.2 volt with our capacitor. Now, as you see, the voltage increasing when we shake this device. Okay, let's do something more practical, how we can light an LED or run a DC motor. I will show you how we can do that. I have a supercapacitor here. It's 10 farad and 2.3 volts supercapacitor. I am going to charge this supercapacitor and run a DC motor or LED with this supercapacitor. Now I will make the connections. First of all, I am going to place the rectifier bridge onto the plastic tube by the help of hot glue. Just like this. Well, my friends, these two terminals are the input for alternative current, and this terminal is positive output for DC current, and this is the negative output for DC current. Now I will just connect the cables of the coils to the rectifier bridge. First one is here and the second one is here, my friends. This is the positive terminal of our supercapacitor. Okay, we just placed our supercapacitor on the plastic tube. Now make the other connections. Okay, my friends, our device is almost ready. Now I will just add two extra terminals for the output, the negative and the positive one. Okay, my friends, let's measure the initial voltage inside our device, inside our supercapacitor. Positive terminal and the negative terminal. As you see, there is no voltage in our supercapacitor. Now we will charge our supercapacitor by just shaking the device and do some experiments on that. We will try to run a DC motor and LED. I'm going to put my neodymium magnets inside it. Just shake it for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Shaking will be enough for that. Okay, my friends, we have charged our supercapacitor. Now measure the voltage inside it. As you see, my friends, it's about 2 volts, 2.1 or 2 volts inside our supercapacitor. It's very good, pretty good. Now we will try to run a DC motor and light an LED with our supercapacitor. First, I will try to run this DC motor with our supercapacitor. See? Wow, that's pretty good, huh? That's very nice. As you see, it's not died immediately. Now let's try to light an LED with this. At this time, I'm going to try to light this LED with my supercapacitor. This is the positive terminal, this one, and this is the negative terminal. Okay. As you see, it's slightly light the LED because the voltage of the LED is too much that it's lighted. Okay, as you see. Okay, one more time run the DC motor. Well, that's good. Okay, my friends, lastly, let's measure the leftover voltage inside the supercapacitor. Okay, as you see, there is still 1.7 or 1.8 volt in this supercapacitor. Okay, as you see, just by making this device, this easy device, you can produce electricity for free and light an LED or run a DC motor. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Take care of yourself, my friends. See you in the next videos.